Hi everyone, it is August 26, 2021. Hope everyone is doing well. I was busy putting away the laundry and I forgot I actually got something in that the house needed. Now I always constantly run out of stuff and I just recently got in some paper towels. I got about 12 more rolls of paper towels in. But what I got in here I was really out of, and I like to make sandwiches, tuna fish, sardines, and I have no more tuna and have no more sardines. Even though I bought about, when the pandemic started, I bought about maybe 48 cans of tuna and 24 cans of sardines. And after a year and a half, it's amazing you run out of those things, right? So I bought some more. Now I got a really good price on the tuna. It was only $2 a can for the olive oil with the tuna. Now I know you can get them probably cheaper, but does it have olive oil in it? That's the thing. That's the difference. Does it have olive oil in it, or is it in water? I like the tuna in olive oil, which is a little bit more expensive than tuna in water. I could have got these for $1 each, but I don't like tuna in water. So I got 24 cans of the, I'll show you the ones I usually get. I get the brand of the Genova, I believe. Yeah, Genova. I'll show you one of them because I got to put it away anyway, right? So I got 24 of these. I believe 24. You got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So I got 24 of these. This is Genova. So 24, and they were $2 a piece. So that's $48 right there. So I'll put that away. 24 cans of tuna. I gotta put that in the closet. So it's $48 worth there of tuna. And then I got the sardines, which I think I only bought 12 of. And these were only $1 each. These weren't that much money for some reason or other. I got these for only, I believe, $1 each. And this I have to pick up. This keeps falling down. So my table's all screwed up. So I got these sardines. I'll show you in a minute. I got a really good buy on these sardines, actually. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. I'm sorry. It was 18. 18. I thought I got 12. So this was about 20 bucks. Okay, came out to a little bit more than $1 each. Okay, so this was about 20 bucks. So I'll show you the sardines I got. Chicken of the sea sardines in olive oil. So I got 18 of these, as you can see. And this came out to $20. So $50 worth of tuna, $20 worth of sardines. So this is $70 worth of food. And then I got another $10 worth of something else, which I'll show you in a minute. Let me put this away. So 18 cans of sardines. I gotta find a place for this. I know I have room. It's just a matter of where I'm gonna put it all, right? So now I have enough. I'm restocking my sardines and my tuna for the next 6 months or so. Now, so that was about $70 worth of food right there. Now I have to put it on something, right? So I figured I like matzah, so I bought $10 worth of matzah, which I can always put away. It's like a cracker, like a Jewish cracker. Put that over there. So those are the 3 things I recently bought. The egg matzahs, and this I can always put in the closet. I got room for this. So I can always make like a, I can always make a sandwich with this. So I got 3 boxes of egg matzah. They're about $3 and change a piece. So that's $10. So overall, the 3 things I just showed you, the egg matzahs, the 24 cans of tuna, and the 18 cans of sardines, all came out to about $80. Okay, that was $80 worth of food. Okay, folks, so I have enough food now for a while. Give me a thumbs up if you think I did a pretty good job shopping. I know you can buy cheaper tuna. right? But the tuna I buy, like I said, is in olive oil, right? I know people are going to say to me, Sam, you got ripped off. Why do you pay $2 a can for tuna? Because it's in olive oil. You can buy cheap crap tuna that's in water, but it does not taste good. Okay? So anyway, take it easy, folks. Be well. Have a great day. I got to get back to cleaning now.